Yes, the train is off.
Oh, this was built 2 years after I was. No, I can't get over it. That's awesome.
Say hi to the folks back in Florida, Paul.
Hello.
Say hi, Kathleen. Tell Pete that he's missing out.
I had a great time without you.
Yeah, Pete, have a good time at work today. Wave to the folks in the community. Say hi. Have a good day at work, everybody. Say have a good day at work, everybody.
Good day at work, everybody.
Have a great lunch.
Great lunch.
Where do they usually go, Paul?
Have fun in traffic today. Tell them, June. Have fun in traffic today.
Watch those tourist drivers.
Yeah. They call us leaf watchers up here.
There's still some left.
Oh, leaf lookers. We're what?
Leaf lookers.
We're leaf lookers. We came to look at the leaves change colors because in Florida they're green and then they're brown. Yeah. Oh, June just got fancy with her sunglasses.
That's so cool. Peeking through my
Yeah.
being in the South, talk like the Southerners do.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We sure are not in Brooklyn anymore. Wave hi to everybody. Say, how's it going? Yes, sir.